Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram Reels music is not working. The first thing is make sure that your app is updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. To the right side of Instagram, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is updated. Here you can see our app has been already updated. The next thing is go to your Instagram app, tap on Reels icon next to your profile icon, tap on camera icon. So for those of you who are not seeing your Instagram Reels music, you can see here this is the icon. Tap on music icon on the left side of the screen and you can inbuild your video or reels with music as per your choice. If it is still not working, then go to your profile icon. We can change category of your page. Go ahead and tap on edit profile, and from here tap on category. Then after that select your category. Let's tap on musician and band and tap on done. So here you can see our category has been changed to musician or band. So hopefully your audio option will come up. If it is still not working, then you must uninstall and reinstall the app. That will clear your cache and refresh it. And this is how we fix our Instagram Reels music is not working. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.